Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily remove your pin on Windows 11. So go to search option, search it to settings, open your settings, look at the left side, click on to account, click on, and then showing you to this option, just click on to remove pin, remove this sign in option to pin, or if you want to change pin, so I'm just remove, so click on to remove and enter your current password, press on OK, enter your username and press on OK. Now successfully remove this. Now showing you to setup option, that's been removed. So that's it.